In Luxor we stayed at the Jolieville Hotel and Resort, Kings Island, which is right next to the River Nile. After early morning breakfast we took a small boat ride from the hotel to our reserved Dahabia.
Okay, this boat is called Dahabia, and it doesn't have any engine. Basically it's a sailing. There isn't enough wind, then the tugboat will take it. Otherwise it's just basically sail. Its upper deck has got like a sitting area, and lower deck start with the kitchen where our chef brother Mahmoud is cooking our dinner for tonight. It's got about 3 bedrooms, so each room has got 2 small beds. Then this is the other bedroom. The good thing is every bedroom has got its own shower and bathroom, and there is an air cooler or air conditioner. And then there is like on this floor, it's more like kind of like a sitting area. That's on the lower deck. And then there is a master bedroom with a double bed, and it's got similarly attached bathroom, and it's nice and clean, and it's got shower facilities as well. This room is quite nicely decorated. It's got all this artifact. They're all traditional Egyptian artifact, and there are some books. If people interested to read books, they can read book.
A dahabia, in Arabic literally the golden one, is a large comfortable sailing boat of a simple but elegant form with 2 lateen sails. Dahabias are traditional wooden sailing boats with private cabins with ensuite, originally designed to take 19th century travelers along the Nile in comfort. A cruise down the Nile on a Dahabia Nile cruise is the most exclusive and luxurious way to experience the River Nile, and enjoy a tranquil sailing, explore unique temples and tombs, and visit picturesque local villages and idyllic islands. Dahabia cruise usually for 6 days, 3 days to go from Luxor to Aswan and 3 days back. It usually cost around £3,000 for the trip.
মেস্তরি নাও বানাইলো কেমন দেখা যায় ঝিলমিল ঝিলমিল করে রে ময়ূর পুঁতি নাই ঝিলমিল ঝিলমিল করে রে ময়ূর পুঁতি নাই মেস্তরি নাও বানাইলো কেমন দেখা যায় ঝিলমিল ঝিলমিল করে রে চন্দ্র সূর্য বান্ধা আছে নাওয়ের হিয়াগায় ভাইরে ভাইরে চন্দ্র সূর্য বান্ধা আছে নাওয়ের হিয়াগায় আর দূরবীনে দেখিয়া পথ মাঝি মালায় বাই ঝিলমিল ঝিলমিল করে রে ময়ূর পুঁতি নাই ঝিলমিল ঝিলমিল করে রে ময়ূর পুঁতি নাই বেরঙের